Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add shadow and color effects in the taskbar of any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just go to this accessibility and just click on this visual effects, and now just turn on this transparency effects if it is not being turned on. Now you can close this settings program. Now just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. So after that, just hit enter. Now it will start downloading one file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you can see the application Taskbar color effects. Just double click on it. Now the application has started and you can see the application icon appearing on the taskbar. So just right mouse click on it and click on the settings. Now you can see here tons of pre-included colors, so you can select it depending upon your needs which color you want to set here, and below you can see current color being selected, or you can select a custom color also depending upon your needs, or you can select more custom colors by clicking on here, and you can select the respective colors depending upon your needs here. And you can just click on add to custom color. You can just select it, you can click on OK, then you can set your own custom color also. Right now I will just select the pre-included color here, and now below you can see image placement, so you can select your custom image background also by clicking on here, and you can select your respective image or photo files also. So I'm not gonna do it here right now. And below you can see a color transparency, right? So you can increase or decrease the color transparency depending upon your needs. And below is enable shadow, so you can see here the level of the shadow, so you can increase it, the shadow. So you can see at the bottom the shadow effect appearing on the taskbar, so you can increase or decrease the shadow effects also depending upon how much shadow effects you want. So once you're done with your settings, click on this tab. Now you can just click on this close window. Now you can see here finally we have added a shadow as well as a color effects in the taskbar of any Windows computer. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.